Manufacturing accounts. This is our current topic, and in this module, we will learn about the reporting requirements of manufacturing entities. We know very well that business entities are basically of two types. One is goods oriented and the second one is services oriented. Here we are talking about the goods oriented entities which are engaged in manufacturing process, because goods oriented entities, they are engaged in trading business as well. So we are focusing on those goods oriented entities which are into the manufacturing business. Got it? So for those entities which are into the manufacturing business, they in fact purchase raw material and convert that raw material into the finished product, and then they sell that finished goods or finished product to their customers. So the thing is that for manufacturing entities, the accountants of those manufacturing entities are required to prepare manufacturing account, first of all. And then they prepare trading account and profit and loss account. And basically, they have to focus on working out the cost per unit of production. So, unlike the accountants for trading entities, the accountants for manufacturing entities prepare some additional statements. So, in this manufacturing account, the accountant in fact presents information about the purchase of raw material and then putting the cost of labor to convert that raw material into the finished goods. And along with that labor cost, some overhead cost is also expensed out over there. So that all this information is presented in manufacturing account, and then that manufacturing account produces an information which is transferred to the trading account. Well, in this trading account, means in the trading account of a manufacturing concern, we will not find purchases or purchase of goods, because this trading account of manufacturing entity will be having goods produced, and then those goods produced will be sold out. Okay? Well, in the same process, the accountants of manufacturing entities will also prepare a sheet in which cost per unit produced is also worked out. So this is what separately or in addition to the normal trading entities, an accountant of manufacturing entities is required to do. So the important tip for this module is that accountants of manufacturing entities are required to prepare manufacturing accounts. And this is in addition to the trading and profit and loss account. Thank you.